Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at Nintendo Switch Pokemon Let's Go Eevee with the Pokeball Plus bundle. So, yeah. So here it says the Pokemon Company, Nintendo. Nice picture of Eevee there with our Pokeball Plus. Pokeball Plus does have the Mew in there. Again, all the different ways to battle and train and stuff. Like it says, take Pokemon from your game into the real world. So you could do that. This button is a control stick, so the little center button on the Pokeball. That's actually a little analog control stick. Gives you a true Pokemon catching experience. Okay. Hear Pokemon cries, so when you catch Pokemon, you know, in the other Pokemon games, you know, when you hit on the little button that says cry, you hear them go like, yeah, or ding, you know, something kind of similar to that. Like, you know, each little Pokemon's, I don't know, weird little digital cry, which sounds nothing like, you know, the actual Pokemon. If you watch, you know, Pokemon the anime, where they'd be like, if you cry on Eevee or a Pikachu, it'd be like, in the game, it'd be like, yeah, or ding, and you know, on the anime, it'd be like, Pika, 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 Pikachu, or like, Eevee, Eevee, you know, like their actual voice, their actual cry. So, yeah, I don't know why they do that in games. It just have like some generic, little like weird sounds. Fire rates for in-game events, and there will be a little light, as you can see, kind of in this picture here, around that Pokeball, the little circle of the Pokeball. It does light up a little blue color. 1 and 2 players, 1 and 2 players, 1 player. So there's that. So just a little thing. Excuse me there. A little trainer tip. Any Pokemon that you take from your Pokemon Go on your phone and send over to Pokemon Let's Go, that Pokemon will forever be stuck in the Let's Go. Pretty much you choose your Pokemon from Let's Go and you get them a lifetime prison jail sentence when you send them over to this game. Because say there's like a 6,000 CP Charizard shiny. Let's just say, for example, there's that. Obviously this part is not going to be that unless someone's hacked in, but you know, let's just say legitimately there is a 6,606, you know, shiny CP Charizard in the game, right? So what you do, you take your Charizard out of this game and send it to here, and then, oh no, that Charizard can never go back there. So make sure you catch duplicates. You take your lowest weight one, send it to the Nintendo Switch, okay? Your highest weight one, your shiny one, you know, your one that's got the best moves and all that stuff, keep it on your phone. It stays on your phone. Anyone below that one, like if you call another Charmander or one that's like maybe like 500 CP compared to your 6,000 CP, you take that 500 CP, send it there, because when you send it to the Switch, you can never go back to your phone. It's some stupid BS thing that Pokemon Let's Go did, but you know, yeah. So just be aware, Pokemon that you take from your Pokemon Go phone and put it on Pokemon Let's Go, those Pokemon you just gave a lifetime in prison sentence with no bail, no parole. They are there to do a hard time. It's not, you know, a dime to life or anything like that. They're there like for a 100-year, 1,000-year sentence, you know. So yeah, just remember, any Pokemon on your phone that you want to send to Pokemon jail, Pokemon prison, Pokemon Slammer, the Bit House, aka Pokemon Let's Go. Just remember, any Pokemon you want to send to jail, prison, make sure that they're low CPs and send them over here to Pokemon Jail. Your other Pokemon, they're free, they didn't commit any crimes, they're nice Pokemon citizens, the Pokemon, Pokeworld, you know. The other Pokemon, oh no, those are bad Pokemon. They did something bad. They gotta go to Pokemon Jail, you know. So just to let you know. Once you transfer them from your phone to your Switch, they ain't coming back again. Never, ever, ever, ever. You gotta go back out in the real world with your Pokemon Go, your phone, to recapture those Pokemon, okay? Also, little thing that GameStop's doing. Here's gonna be the next legendary Pokemon for the cold card, you know. So it's gonna be for Sun Moon, Ultra Sun Moon. It's gonna be Yu-Gi-Oh! And Ho-Oh. So don't forget how to GameStop pick up this card so you can get them. And then, you know, Pokemon here, Sun and Moon, they're gonna be level 100. So Yu-Gi-Oh! Level 100 for Ultra Sun with Go Bobcat. For and then same thing for the Moon, Ultra Moon, 100 Bobcat Ho. Level 60 Sun, Yu-Gi-Oh! Level 60 Moon, Ho. So first games, they're going to be level 60. In their Ultra versions of the game, they're going to be level 100 with a gold bottle cap. So yeah, just wanted to mention that because it is Pokemon. Also, if you pre-order the game, you got this nice double-sided shiny poster of the Pokemon. You have your white Pokemon Charizard there. Let's Go Eevee, it looks like to choose. There's a Bellsprout, Ladder, Squirtle. There's Pikachu for Let's Go Pikachu. Some Pidgeys in the background, which are not really as great as, you know, these ones, but you can still tell that there are Pidgeys there. Nice shiny says Let's Go Pikachu, Eevee, Nintendo, Switch, you know. And then the other side is very nice because it has Monsters, Articuno, I see a Dragonite, some other ones, and then Zapdos, and then Mewtwo, and it has just a big map of everywhere that you could go in the Pokemon Let's Go's. So yeah, also on the bottom here, kind of has a nice little thing of, you know, the Pokemon fossils. So yeah. So yeah, let's get this open and take it out. Now they also sell this other little accessory there. I didn't know about it until like, I don't know, 2 minutes before I went and picked up the game that they were selling this accessory there. It's actually kind of hard to get this out of the box. Unless you do that, then it's easy. But yeah, it's an accessory for your Pokeball Plus. So essentially what it is this little docking bay that has this little adapter on it, that you take this little adapter and then you slide underneath your Pokeball, and then when your Pokeball needs to be recharged, you just drop it on the docking bay. So it's 20 bucks, but let me give me a second here to go to my little GameStop app and kind of see if I can show you a picture of it. Now the Pokeball by itself is going to be $49.99, so 50 bucks for the Pokeball. Game by itself is going to be 60 altogether. Game and Pokeball, 100 bucks. I had here the other day. Okay, it's not actually called Pokeball. Charger. Let's see if I can get the can to it. There we go. It's called Switch Pokeball Plus Charger. 20 bucks. That's kind of what it's going to look like. And they used to have little pictures here. It's made by Hori. H-O-R-I, Hori. At least that's how I heard other people call it. Now, unfortunately, I do not see any pictures on here. Where's the, here, images. There we go. Yeah. So it has a built-in USB cable on the bottom of the charger. That's how it's going to look when it's on the charger. And like I was saying right here, that's a little piece that you connect onto the bottom of your Pokeball, which is going to look a little strange, but then, you know, when your Pokeball needs to be charged, you just drop it on the charging bay right there and charge it up. And that's what the box is going to look like. So if you want to know what the patches looks like, well, there you go. But yeah, about 20 bucks for that. I did not buy it because they did not have any in stock. Because, you know, it was something you had pre-ordered. I didn't know that it was pre-ordered until like 2 minutes later that I found out, hey, while I'm in line, guess what? They came out with the Switch Pokeball Plus Charger. Wait, what is this thing actually called? Switch Pokeball Plus Charger. Yeah, I was going to call it Pokeball Charger Docking Bay, but Pokeball Charger, yeah. What I find funny on here is the Pokeball Plus actually comes in the retail package. So if you're just going to spend 50 bucks and just wanted to buy the Pokeball Plus by itself, it'll come in this exact same box as we're seeing right here. So it works with Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee, obviously. Also works as a Pokemon Go Plus. So yes, that's right, people. It is going to work. Give me a second here. Just like this. So if you have a Pokemon Plus, you know, that big, stupid, annoying bracelet, which I mean, didn't have that much battery life, and it was hard when you try putting your hand in your pocket to reach for your wallet and stuff, or your keys. It would just be in the way how the design of it was. So the Gotcha one, way better.